Hello, my name is George Pazmino. I'm an account executive at Rogers. I do have about 11 years of banking experience as well, as a branch manager and also as a digital enablement leader. My past experiences also include sales and running teams of different sizes. What I really love about these types of events that would definitely help students is that I'm able to share some real-world experiences. Typically as a student, and myself as a student in the past, we learn a lot from our textbooks and we have a lot of valuable information that's shared through there. But there's nothing better than really joining what you read in books and bringing in the real world perspective and experiences that are actually happening. Because this way we can formulate and understand what we really want to do in the future and follow our passions. Some of the top changes in the industry for students to be aware of are changes, period. So we often think that if we get into a job or a role within the industry that we picked, and this is right across the board, that I'm gonna become a master of that role. But as people will understand, within corporations and even small and medium businesses, there has to be an evolution of constant change. And I believe this is just from the adaptation of technology, period. Right? Through technology, it changes every year. Every year there's a new phone that comes out. So people should be aware that every year there might be changes to your role. So even previous to entering that workforce, get yourself a little bit educated, do some research on that role and how it changes and it evolves as businesses grow as well. My advice for business students is to plain and simply keep practicing. Keep practicing and following your passion. So what I mean by keep practicing is, if you want to become a salesperson, don't just wait to start to talk to clients to become a salesperson. Start engaging your next door neighbor, the person in the elevator. When you go to a restaurant, just don't answer closed-ended questions. Try and get a conversation happening with a complete stranger, just to get comfortable in building those relationships.